Good, madam.
Thank you. Daniel, laptop off the table, please. Daniel. Yeah, wait. I'm on a high score.
Daniel, how many times did your dad have to remind you? No devices on the table when there's food.
Right. Sorry, ma.
So honey, you didn't tell me. How did your book festival?
Well, here's the thing. I got to promote my newest release on L.E. Strange, Professor Strange, Stranger Rings, and Guess for my course. Released in this season. Let me guess. Strange? Guardian of the Spirit.
Very strange.
Its follow-up sequel to the previous book, Beholder of the Spirit, which that in fact has actually earned me the William L. Crawford Fantasy Award. We'll be flying to London in 3 months' time.
Oh honey, that's great news.
Yeah, I'm like the Charles Dickens of modern fantasy literature.
A few moments later.
Alright, huddle up fam. Before we going to London, I'm planning for a short vacay of 3 of us before we walk on the red carpet. So why don't you guys pack your bag now?
We already did.
Because we are going to Dixon.
Oh my god, I've always wanted to go there. So, a way to pull off a real surprise, huh?
I mean, I'm a natural, you know.
Real smooth. Real smooth.
You are my fire, the one. But I want it someone. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heart. Tell me why. Selfie time.
Aida? Balqis? No way! You never told me you applied here. OMG, this is going to be fun! Oh my god. I can't believe this. I mean, it's been long since Form 3. How are things going on for you? I know, right? Things are fine for me. But still looking forward to join more clubs and activity for this semester. So are you still aiming for the Athlete of the Year award here, huh? But you know me so well! Come here. I got you something to show you. He's got the looks, am I right? No doubt, Aida. He's hot. Who am I kidding? Nobody wants to call me their girlfriend. Hey, girlfriend, you'll find the right one soon. God willing. Trust me. Thanks, girlfriend. So, what course are you taking? Electrical and electronics. Engineering? Girl, we are going to be classmates for the rest of our uni years! Really? So, when's our first class? We are going to do a show in 20 minutes time. Alright, Want to change into something else and go to class together? I've been wearing this the whole day. Sounds good to me. Okay.
Good morning, class. My name is Madam Alisha and I will be your proficiency English lecturer for this semester. Just a reminder, attendance is compulsory, so please do attend your class because you are going to be filled in the credit hours. So I'll begin with the names. Danny,
Yeah.
Anwar,
Present.
June,
Present.
Kor,
Present.
Aida,
I'm here.
Balqis,
Here.
Aidi. Oh, he's not here. Oh, you must be Aidi. Okay. So class, that is going to be your first assignment. Please do submit this assignment before 4 p.m. on 17 July. That's the end of our class. Class dismissed.
God, I'm starving. I could eat a whole goat. Tell me about it. Finally, we actually have time to fill our stomachs. It's just a never-ending series of lectures and tutorials.
Yes, what would you like to order?
One pizza, please.
Alright, coming right up. Be right back. Madam?
How much?
10 ringgit. Thank you. Enjoy your meal.
Hi.
Hey, your phone is getting cold. What's wrong with you? Hey, it's nothing. I'm all good.
Well, looks like someone crushing hard on the new team.
Here comes our fellow little boy.
Aida. Aida.
So, we have to tell our lab partners that we are lab partners.
Yeah.
That's so gay. Why are we doing this? Just be a while. Just go. Let me help you with that.
It's okay.
Sorry.
Hi, I think we haven't introduced ourselves properly. My name is Aidi, by the way.
Hey, Balqis.
You're quite quiet in our class, eh? Yeah, are we classmates?
Yeah.
I haven't seen you. I haven't noticed you.
Says you. You came late to our very first lecture.
Hey, are you free right now?
Well, I'm not so sure. Yeah, I'm free.
So, wanna go ahead to RSC?
Okay.
Let's go. Good game, Aidi. Good game.
You don't know, babe, when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing. And it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part.
Is this sunrise and those brown eyes? Yes, you're the one that I desire. When we wake up and then we make love, it makes me feel so nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the Tylenol I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part.
Sorry. Welcome back home.
Oh wow, what a nice home you have.
Yeah, the stuff is already old and antique, so please don't injure yourself. Especially this one. If you touch this switch, you will get shocked. Yeah. And another more, this faucet is my dad's, so don't try to stick on this thing, okay?
Okay. Well, so like Nobody's usually home.
Actually, it's my dad's, yeah. But I'm sure that you're not going to see him because, you know, something wrong.
What's wrong with him?
Actually, he's not that. He's not like your average happy-go-lucky father.
I see, but I'm sure he's the kind of dad who cares about his son so much.
Yeah, I did say that too. But
as much as I care about you.
what?
Nothing.
Oh yeah, show me.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Oops. Yeah, the doors were antique. So yeah, welcome to my dad's office.
Oh my god, wow, Aidi. You really have some of the best books out there. Look at this. You have L. Strange, Professor Strange, Stranger Rings. These are all the best sellers out there, and I'm a big fan.
Yeah, those are great books,
Yeah.
I guess.
No way! You have a typewriter! I have always wanted to use a typewriter since I was a kid. But sadly, you are slowly converting to e-books.
Yeah, e-books.
You know, you will do great in your English assignment.
I don't think I can do in English good as you.
Well, you can do it.
Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, who is this?
Who's that?
Oh, Dad. Dad. This is Balqis, my friend from my campus, and this is my dad. Fadhil, you can just call him Mr. Fadhil.
Shut the front door, Mr. Fadhil.
Why?
I just seen you. I'm a big fan of your work.
Thank you.
Is he always like that?
Yeah, you will get used to it.
Are you ready to go? Calling girlfriend, girl, bro. Alright, bye.
Let me guess. That was your roommate, huh?
Well, some questions are not to be answered.
Some questions of the universe we will never know.
Well, some questions.
Have you noticed how Anwar's possibly related to the pizza guy at the cafe?
Right. Oops, sorry. Although.
So nobody's gonna talk about that.
Tell me about it. Oh yeah, I should make you drinks. I'll be right back, okay?
Sure. Guardian of the spirit. Beholder of the spirit. Fadhil.
Oops. Sorry again. Yeah, drinks. I'm wondering actually, is it okay if my house is full vibe of vintage?
It actually looks genuinely authentic.
Oh, really? Well, in fact, this is where my father's office actually. Well, he has two offices for your information.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
Wow. how it works.
Yeah.
Do you mind if I...
Oh yeah, sure. Man,
Here comes the immortals.
Wait,
Wait.
what's going on?
Didi, what are you doing right now? Didi, what are you doing? What have you done? Have you realized what you have done right now?
Dad, calm down, Dad. Please, calm down.
Dad.
Please stop. Don't
Shut up! You don't know anything about this typewriter.
What?
And you, remember my words. Don't you ever touch my typewriter again.
Don't say that to Balqis.
Don't you talk to your father like that.
Dad? Don't, Dad. Please, calm down. I want the knife back.
Get out from my house right now.
No?
Yes, get out!
Fine.
That's why you're jobless for shit.
Go, Balqis. Let's go.
You could not live with your own failure. Where did that bring you? Back to me.
Whatever.
What's happening right now?
She's running. She's running.
Why, Dad? Why?
I'm disappointed in you, Fadhil.
What have you done?
We could have been in a vacation right now.
Did you really have to take that selfie?
What kind of father are you?
Wow, bro, what's the time now? You should be going for the maths lecture already.
Oh yeah, I forget already. 现在都12点了。
Let's go now lah.
Just chill, man.
Okay. What is happening? It feels so pain.
What happened, bro?
I don't know.
break ke bro?
Guys, have you seen Balqis and Aidi lately? No, Balqis always with Aidi and not with us. Right. Guys, Balqis just post her photo with Aidi and Instagram. Look at this photo. Guys, tomorrow we have a quiz. Guys, what's wrong with you guys? I need answers. Guys, why you look at me like that? Guys!
Stand back, stand back. You guys again. Damn, this thing still works, huh? Hey Kate, you okay?
It's okay.
Look, if you need my help, just know where to find me. I'll be at the IRC.
Guys!
Aidi, that's Mr. Fadhil.
No. No.
Oh, hey Aidi, you saw nothing, right?
Naughty boy. So you are the son of Fadhil.
The guy who wanted to kill us.
You shouldn't be here.
You don't know what you're up against.
Aidi, are you okay?
I'm not done yet! Better not mess with us.
I think we'll be fine. Hey, Balqis. Aidi, what happened?
Where's Dashini at? We were get tapped by Korean June last night.
Really? Even me. I don't know, it was pretty intense. I actually just asked him about my life.
Really?
Yeah. Well, I just sprained my wrist. It's terrible. You look really, really bad.
But it still hurts. Even when it got 2 times jacked. These things is really serious. Right? If we let them be free around this campus, they will be attacked. All innocent people. We have to take some action.
Yeah, I guess the whole university is counting on us.
Yeah.
So, how do we take them down?
I think I actually know someone who can handle this.
Sir Anas, is that you, right, sir? We need your help.
No, come again later. I'm busy.
We need your help to kill the immortals.
Yeah, so?
The immortals killed Fadhil.
Alright, kids. What do you want from me?
Where are we?
First off, let me ask you. Why do you need my help? And what for?
Well, obviously, there are 2 immortals chasing us, They tried to kill us and they killed my father, Fadhil. Why?
Yeah, but why do you need my help?
Actually, Darshin mentioned you, and she said you're the only one who can help us kill the immortals.
Fair enough. So these immortals that you encountered, when was it? Yesterday? 2 days ago?
Actually, yesterday.
Last night.
That's why you got your cast.
Yeah.
It's very unlucky. But before I go in depth, why the immortals are here, why they attacked you, there's a lot of things that you should know and what consequences you're about to go through.
Before that, who is she? Darmini Yoga. And who is this? Nazi. And why my father is there? Are you the man behind this all?
Fadhil, mine is your father.
Yes. What's wrong with sadness? Tell me the truth.
Fadhil, mine is your father.
Yes, I mentioned just now.
I'm telling you, there are things that you don't want to know, questions of the universe that are unanswered for a reason. Some questions that most don't want to talk.
What are the questions?
Most questions we don't want to know. If I told you, you wouldn't like it.
Well, try.
Perhaps these can speak for yourself. November 22nd, 1999. Fadhil was here 20 years ago with his son, Daniel Hazik, along with his wife, Darmini Yoga. They were here to pick up Daniel before his second semester break. They were here having lunch before they planned their trip to Port Dickson. I was there. Yes, I was.
So you're telling that Daniel Hazik is my brother?
He died in a car crash. I can never tell you this, but it will, most probably will, blow your mind. Darmini died in a car crash. Apparently, Daniel didn't make it. He was sent to the hospital right after, but doctors couldn't find the correct procedure for the heart transplant. A police report was made, but there wasn't much support from the outside. Later then, after finding out Daniel didn't make it, Fadhil went crazy. He went crazy at the lobby. He got sent to the special unit. Ended up in a sanatorium a few miles away. People thought he died. People rumored his death to save his image. He actually ended up in the sanatorium a week after. Daniel was a good boy. He was my favorite student actually. I was a chemistry lecturer. Look at me now. Librarian. And where do you end up at? You are Fadhil's son. But you're not Fadhil's biological son.
What are you bluffing about? Okay, tell me the truth. I want something to true. I want things clear.
From the way it was triggered, the typewriter used.
Your typewriter? What do you mean by typewriter?
I want you to tell me who played with the typewriter.
Well,
I did.
yeah, she did just typing around.
Why did you touch the typewriter?
I don't know.
It's alright. Accidents do happen. But let me tell you this. That typewriter is not an ordinary typewriter.
So don't tell it it is magical?
Fadhil never told you anything, huh? Typical Fadhil. See, Aidi, not everything works out the way you want. I'm sorry you have to go through this, Balqis, but things start, you have to end it. We're not. The immortals are gonna spread around campus and kill us all.
Okay then, just tell me, what should I do? What should I do to settle all these things? Speak.
This. This is timoxylin barbiturate. With this, you can splash to them. It resets their mind, resets the brain. From there, you can end them with the typewriter. But, in condition, I need you to do me a favor.
What?
I need you to listen carefully, both of you.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm just.
Aida gave me this.
What's that?
I don't know, it's a slingshot. I'm sorry I can't be there for you, but I have this. Good luck finding June and Cole, your roommate. Love, your roommate. So, do you think we can do this?
I hope so.
So what's the plan now?
Okay, first, get the typewriter. Second, find the immortals. And lastly, we end this thing once and for all.
How do we get the typewriter?
The typewriter? I know where it is. Damn, it's locked.
What do we do now?
Oh my dad. Where is it? Oh yeah. Ta-da! He always leave the back window open.
Oh, okay.
Let's go. Yes. Oops. Okay.
immortals.
You guys come for fun?
What should we do now?
Shoot them!
Okay, Balqis, this is our chance. It's working. Okay, no.
There comes the immortals.
Finally. Oh yeah.
English assignment when to pass up
Tomorrow can pass up lah, easy.
My friends did it. After the fight, Aidi asked for a break. I'm disappointed and heartbroken. Yeah, but you feel like
Hey, sir. Hey, Mr. Anas.
Aidi. So, what happened yesterday? Did it all go well? What happened to you, sir?
Yeah, as you can see, I broke my arm, my left arm, and I rushed to the clinic and yeah. Okay, welcome.
I'm sorry to hear that, but it all happens for a reason, right? It's what we all do for the betterment of this university, right? But as long as your souls are gone, things should be fine here.
I'm glad this all very well.
I'm telling you, we have to finish this assignment once and for all.
Does that guy look like you?
I don't want to trouble you boys, and I'm kind of in a rush too.
So, can we go now? Oh yeah, before that, you want the typewriter, right?
Yes.
Then.
Thank you.
Yeah. Here's the one, the typewriter.
You're a good boy.
Thanks.
And you must be Danny?
Yeah.
Alright. So I don't want to waste your time. If you
boys need anything, just hit me up. I'll be around here in campus. Take care and good luck for your test. Okay. And your assignments. Alright, we'll see each other soon.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay. Thank you guys,
Bro, your zip is open.
Please.
You dropped something. Come. Let me help you. Okay.
Let's go.
Holy Grail. Same muka, Fadhil. Same muka. Wait, shit. I think the tank is empty.
So, what do you think? Why?
Dude, what the hell? It's like fucking 4 a.m. Dude, just
My brain stopped
Let me
working.
take over. Come on. Let me take over.
Physics test. Ah.
Fine. Here, hold the camera.
And drag here. Fadhil. Could have been something. It's okay. You're gone. You had your fun. Now, it's time to play with my own games.